Hey KT family, today I'm guiding you through a powerful 5-step practice to uncover the emotional answers that are already inside you. We look outside of ourselves for the answers. Today, no more. You're going to look inside you. You're going to get the answers through what I call focusing by Eugene Gendlin. He had a PhD. I had showed that book to you in a few videos prior before we got into this series. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina B. I am your holistic practitioner here to guide and assist you on your healing journey. All right, so I just want to remind you that this is not about thinking. This is about feeling and sensing, getting in touch with the felt sense. Whatever repetitive pattern you've been going through, whatever childhood trauma or experience that you have had that keeps coming up, I want you to take a quiet moment now, and I want you to close your eyes and just start focusing on your breath, all right? Get quiet, get comfortable, focus on your breath, and we're going to clear a space for you right now, okay? Mentally set aside distractions. If there's any noises going on in the background, if there's children running around, if there's a dog barking, you can always go back and rewatch this video. But you really need to set aside any distractions that are occurring. And the question that you want to ask yourself, and again, you're going to let your body answer. You're not going to let your mind answer. The mind's going to want to, but you're going to let your body do it. If you were to check in with yourself right now, what's the biggest emotional weight you're carrying? And let your body answer. It's going to bring up a feeling within your body. If you were to check in with yourself right now, what's the biggest emotional weight you're carrying? Let your body answer. You're going to feel it somewhere. Acknowledge that feeling without fixing it. Just acknowledge it. Just be like, okay, I know you're there. I know you're in my back. I know you're in my stomach. I know you're in my arm. I know you're in my head. Oddly enough, I know you're in my foot. Just acknowledge it without trying to fix it. And just notice where in your body this emotional issue appears. Just take note of it. And then you're going to ask guided questions. The first one is, does it feel tight, heavy, warm, stuck? Ask that part of your body. What one word best describes that feeling? And let it answer. What one word best describes that feeling? Muddy, thick, hard, rocky? Let it answer. It's either going to give you a word or an image. And then ask, if it had a shape or a texture, what would it be? Hard, smooth. If it had a shape or texture, what would it be? So what one word or phrase best describes this feeling? Is it like a tight knot or a heavy rock? Just sit with this feeling and make sure it matches the body sensation. Ask yourself, say the word to yourself silently or out loud to check if it fits. If it fits, I encourage you to notice any shift, even if it's small, because you're acknowledging it. If it doesn't fit, ask again. What one word best describes this feeling? Tight, heavy, like a rock. Maybe you got a visual. If you notice a shift, just gently sit with the sensation instead of pushing it away. And now you're going to ask and receive. This is step 5. Ask, what do you want me to know? Or what is this really all about? And you're either going to get a word or words or an image. Let whatever come, come. Because all answers lay within. Just listen without trying to overanalyze. And just know that even subtle insights are valuable. When you're done, I invite you to write down any messages or shifts that you have noticed. And I want you to know that focusing is a skill that deepens with practice. The more you do this, the more in tune and in touch you're going to get with your body. And shift those repetitive patterns and recurring issues. I encourage you to try this once a day and share your experience in the comments below. When you're ready, open your eyes. That is the 5-step process to true healing. Let me know in the comments below what experience you had. If you didn't and you need further assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to me at kimonotherapy@gmail.com, because sometimes if it's really deep, we need further assistance, and I'm here to help you. I can guide you via online. We can do it through Zoom. But if you need help, I am here, okay? If you had a powerful experience, don't hesitate to share it. If you had issues even getting in touch with your body, that is completely understandable if this is your first time doing it. But that is the 5-step guided practice to heal emotional wounds through focusing. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm going to be sharing a new psychotherapeutic tool in the month of March, even though this has filtered into March. I'll let you know what that is in March. But in the meantime, let's close out this message. That you will take the time to incorporate this tool into your life to heal emotional wounds and repetitive patterns by honoring your body and listening to it. All right, take care. Namaste. Much love. I will see you next week. Bye.
Away. In the quiet moments we find our way. With the wind and the chimes we are home, calming